Alright, you guys been begging me to watch this. Alright, we're taking it back to the creepypasta days when sonic.exe was famous once, and now Cardi Cat came, and now the stupid cat came mentioned Sonic. Anyways, here we have Cartoon Cat versus Sonic.exe. These are the OGs. Sonic.exe and Cartoon Cat. Not Catnapping. Shin Sonic. They're dumb. Anyways. Here we go. What did you see? A dog? Did I see a dog? Oh, the next one. Wait, who was that? Who was that in the background? That's Sonic.exe's former Sega. Oh jeez. Sonic.exe. Oh, geez. Whoa. Why doesn't Evil Dawn's about to pop up right there? Like all of a sudden just Evil Dawn pops up and he's like, thanks for watching. Bye bye. John Game Animations. Bye bye.